The function f of x equals 2 to the x as shown in the graph below is moved 2 units to the left and 1 unit downward to form g of x. Which of the following functions is equivalent to g of x? Alright, so in this question we are given a function and this movement of the function is actually moving in two directions. One is it moves 2 units to the left, that is first direction, and then the next is it moves after moving 2 units to the right, it moves 1 unit downward. Okay, so all we need to do is first we will write the function in the Desmos. So that would be f of x equals 2 to the x. So this is the function of the Desmos, and so we are just going to follow what is the description of the movement here in the problem. So first it says it moves 2 units to the left. Okay, so it moves 2 units to the left. So we will just try to locate which of the points here are having some kind of very clear or obvious points. So we could say we can use this point here, any of these points we can use this point here. Okay, although you can also use the graph here, but it is also available, it is also good here if you can use this point here. So we will try to do that one that is moving 2 units to the left. So 1, 2, and then goes down by 1. All right, so you go down. So this is now the point here. Okay, maybe you can also do this one here. So 1, 2, and it goes down by 1. So this is another point. It should be your point here. What else? If you can do this one here. So 1, 2, and go down by 1. So these are the 3 points here. Now, for me, that in my case, I have a pen that I can write on the computer. So all you just need to do is really to put some kind of coordinates of the graph so that it would be very clear. We would be very sure of our answer, that it is really matching to our points. So here, if we would need to write our points, so this point here is actually -2. The x value is -2 and the y value is 0. So we can write it here on the graph. That would be -2, 0, and this point here is the x value is 0, and the y value, if you count it by 1, the y value is 3. So that would be 0, 3, as well as this point here, the x value is 1. Okay, and the y value is, this is 5, so this is 6, 7, so that should be 7. So these are our answers. That is based on the statement here on the problem. So what we're gonna do is just to check which of them matches. Okay, so if I would choose letter A, that would be g of x equals 2 is to the power of x minus 2, then plus 1. So you see this one here, that letter A does not match with our answer. So we will try to choose B. Your B here, the difference is on the sign. So on the exponent, it is x plus 2. All right, and here on the bottom is -1. So you see here, class, that this letter B option has actually matched to our answer. So this is now our answer. So basically you just have to follow what it says in the statement.